Now I will teach you how to make a Milo shake. Then it is so delicious. Now this is the ingredients: the sugar, the Milo, then the cup, then the spoon. Okay, let's start. Then the Alaska. It is waiting. Then the ingredients is the Alaska evap. Then the sugar and the Milo. Then wait it. Now let's start it. Now you will put now the Milo. First, 2 teaspoons of Milo. GL4 or any nuance. Then now the sugar. You will put now a 2 teaspoons of sugar. 2.5. Then the Alaska evap is waiting. Now mix it. Then a water. Give it water.